Are you looking for the best nose hair trimmer? In this video we will look at some of the best nose hair trimmer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Panasonic Wet Dry Nose Hair Trimmer. Color, gray. Item weight, 108 grams. Brand, Panasonic. Item model number, for 30K. Department, small appliances. Batteries, 1 AA battery required. UPC, 037988562169. Manufacturer, Panasonic. ASIN, B000. Fiverage. Country of origin, USA. The Panasonic Wet Dry Nose Hair Trimmer is the undefeated champ for removing nose and ear hair. The tool has curved hypoallergenic stainless blades that match the curved shape of your nose drills to trim the hair without pulling the dual-edge blade. The design also makes this trimmer great for comfortably and precisely shaping eyebrows and braids. This personal groover is perfect for shower use since it is fully waterproof. This product even facilitates cleanup thanks to its Vertex washing system, which sprays water from all directions via the nose and quickly cleans the tool with a hair clipper. This product is battery operated and countless, making it ideal for travel or storage in your bathroom cabinet without taking up much space. Number 2. Panasonic S2113 PC Hair Trimmer. The device has a sleek pivoting hat that follows the face's natural curves and features. For ladies, this device is the ideal tool. The ultra-thin hypoallergenic blade makes it simple to remove unwanted hair from the chin, lip, and nose while not irritating delicate skin. Because of its extra hybrid trimmer attachment, this trimmer is also the best gadget for nose hairs. The Panasonic Facial Hair Trimmer for Women S2113 PC efficiently and gently eliminates unwanted hair from the forehead and body. It can also be used to shave and contour the eyebrows, eliminate hair from the top lip, and cut hair from the ears and nose. The Panasonic trimmer's rotating trimming head softly matches the curves of your face for improved service and convenience, and its super-duper sensitive blades tenderly care for your skin. You can effortlessly clip and reshape your brows to the appropriate length and style with the help of the 2 eyebrow clipper comb attachments that come with the S2113 PC facial hair remover. The Panasonic Personal Groomer's small travel size makes it simple to carry along in a cosmetics bag or handbag for clipping away from home. Trimmed hair should be removed using a dry towel. Number 3. Panasonic Nose and Hair Trimmer and Ear Hair Trimmer for 30K. Innovative dual-edge blades provide a clean shave with half the effort, and using stainless steel lowers the risk of skin rashes and allergic reactions. Additionally, both razors are fashioned to precisely fit the nostrils, lowering the possibility of pulling nearby hairs. Whether you like to trim in the middle of your daily grooming or see stray hair as you run out the door, you will stay safe and pleasant if you use this shaver wet or dry. The clipped nose and ear hair are collected and placed in a clever vacuum cleaning system for simple cleaning, and the trimmer is battery operated so that you can carry it everywhere you go for on-the-go grooming. Additionally, you can cut the hair on your ear. This is a flexible choice that meets all requirements. Number 4. Panasonic GN30K Nose and Hair Trimmer. It has a dual-edge hypoallergenic blade with a curved design that can be used to cut from the top and sides while yet leaving enough hair for natural filtering. Both wet and dry uses of the nose hair trimmer are practical in the bath or wherever else you may use it. As the Vortex cleaning technology takes in water and rotates it through the trimmer to get rid of those bothersome nose hairs, it is simple to clean. Because of its ergonomic shape, which enables you to hold it securely in your hand even when it becomes slick or wet, this device is lightweight and simple. Additionally, it is simple to operate and enables you to reach those unreachable hairs in the depth of your nose and ears. It is also effective as an eyebrow trimmer. You can transport it effortless because it weighs 2.2 ounces. It uses a single, double battery. However, the batteries are not included in the order. You may use a brand new battery for around 90 minutes until you need to replace it. Number 5. Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Beard Trimming Kit. Wahl is one of the most well-known hair trimmer and groomer brands, and for a good reason. They constantly produce high-quality products. The Wahl Groomsman Rechargeable Nose Hair Trimmer 56622 is no exception, as it stands out as the best nose hair trimmer on the market. The kit includes a metal grey beard trimmer and nose hair trimmer, both of which tapers off at the cutter head. A little black switch on the side toggles it on and off. The blades are precise and provide a smooth cut, allowing you to remove your hair without difficulty. It runs on a double battery which lasts a long time and gives you the best bang for your buck. The Born trimmer also has the unusual capability of working with 110V and 220V voltages, making it a useful tool. The Wahl is pretty much everything you could want in a grooming kit, with a beautiful black bag and other handy extras. Number 6. Phiplips Noreclo 5000 Nose Hair Trimmer. For various reasons, you should also choose the Phiplips Noreclo 5000 Nose Hair Trimmer. It boasts a sleek style with black top half and metallic grey bottom half. A boundary separates the two parts and also serves as a trimmer switch. When you open the box, you will get 3mm and 5mm eyebrow combs, a soft pouch, a brush, a detail trimmer, a lithium battery, and a cleaning brush, among other things. It also includes the latest technology, such as the protection tube, which prevents nicks and cuts while trimming your hair. The blades are razor sharp with dual cut technology. Additionally, it is easy to manage and clean. It is great for sideburns, noses, ears, and even beards. Make sure to wash it after each use for the best results. A fast run under the faucet should suffice, and the Phiplips 5100 will be a faithful servant for a long time. It has not had the quietest motor, but it is a valuable tool on hand at all times, and an AA lithium battery powers it.